Welcome to today's deep dive. It is Tuesday, March 10th, 2026, and we're looking at a single, highly focused document that actually just dropped.
Yeah, hot off the presses.
Right. It's an 8-minute read from the OpenClaw editorial team, and it's titled AI Front Desk for Local Business: Automate Appointments, Answers, and Reviews 2037.
It's a very revealing piece of content.
It really is. So our mission today is to take this case study and explore exactly how local businesses are utilizing these AI-driven front desks to handle every single customer touchpoint. We're talking about eliminating operational bottlenecks and, honestly, multiplying revenue without adding human staff.
Which is the dream for most small business owners,
Well,
right?
exactly. So whether you run a business yourself or you're just someone keeping an eye on how local commerce is fundamentally changing right in front of us, we are going to break down the mechanics of this shift.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's unpack this. Because the core problem driving this technology is